Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use wool and the gang Crazy Sexy wool. So we did a yellow scarf last time and now this nice minty shade as promised is up. So I'll make a loop scarf that is pretty thick and pretty cozy as well. It might seem a bit small or not as wide, but you see that its thickness does the trick. So I did this with singles but with a little twist. So that's how we get such a really nice pattern, and I have to say an awesome texture that is a bit different than usual. So yeah, it's still super simple to do. So anyway, let's check out the wool. We have a 12mm needle and we have 100% wool this time, made in Peru. And let's see, the color is called Magic Mint and we have 200 grams. So one spool really is a lot and it's pretty big. And we have here 80 meters of length, so you see how wonderful this looks for now. So anyway, this is the wool we're going to use and we are pretty much ready to start with our loop scarf. So here is my 12mm needle and let's start with some chains. Also, I have my measuring tape, so I will do about 60 centimeters of length in chains. So no counting this time. So we have about 50 centimeters. So 57, I'll do 2 more chains and that's gonna be it. Connect, but make sure there are no twists or knots. One chain for the height, so the easy thing is that we are doing circles or spirals this time. So let's now go from the top and pull the thread through like this. And close up, let's do that again. So you see the effect that we have, so a bit different than usual singles. So that's how it goes anyway. Let's finish our spool, and I'll also show you how you can start the next round. Here is the first round, and now you see here our stitch that we are to close up, so this means that that would finish the row. Leave this one out and start above into the next one, and then just continue. So you see here we have no more chains or anything, we are just basically continuing, so that's why I call it spiral this time. So the more you work, the better it looks. And here is our cozy cuddly scarf in an awesome pattern. So yeah, this is the texture that we get. I hope you guys like the way this looks. So as you can see, you get results pretty quickly, and it's fairly simple to do. So all that's left to do is this end thread. We need to pull it out so that we can now close these up. So we're gonna hide the beginning and the end with our needle the following way. And this is a pretty neat trick how to hide the end thread. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to let me know by shooting a comment in the comment section or shooting a thumbs up for this video. You can also subscribe for free, that way you stay updated with everything new that we post, and you also gain access to older videos we already posted. So thanks for watching DIY Ideas. I'll see you in our next project. Until then, have a great day. Bye!